Perfect.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So if you like hair, makeup, skincare, and vlogs, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my videos. So y'all, I was getting ready to sit down and do my skincare routine and mind my business, but I haven't filmed the skincare routine in a while, so I definitely wanted to go ahead and turn on the camera so we can do this together. Of course, I have 172 products right here, but I'm gonna move through them really fast. I really don't have that much tonight, but it's just gonna be a nice chill, you know, nighttime routine. And I'm gonna move through it quick because I want to go watch a movie. So as you can see, I am steaming. I haven't been steamed in like a week or two, so shame on me. And I've been complaining about my skin going through it. Duh. So I definitely had to pull out the steamer today and get these pores open so I can get these products all the way in there, okay? So just to let y'all know, while I'm steaming, I did go in with my Ren Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser so I can break down my sunscreen and everything. So I did that before I got in the tub. I'm just getting this steam session on because look at my skin, y'all. It's just not doing well. It's just not doing well at all. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start washing my face while my face is still steaming, and I'm gonna go in with this Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Wash. I love this. I've been using it actually for a long time, but I really haven't used it on camera, so I said I might as well bring it to you guys. This is really good for anti-aging, and it's like a resurfacing cleanser, so I would only use it at night. And actually I wouldn't use it like very often, like every night, because it will resurface your skin. You'll start to see like dry flakes on your face because it's really like pulling off that first surface layer of skin. So I don't use it every night, but I definitely try to use it when my skin is acting a cold food like now. It's super duper gentle though. Like it's you wouldn't think that it does what it does or as powerful as it is just by the way it feels when you're using it, but you can tell like over time that it's doing its job. So before I wash this off, I want to go ahead and exfoliate my lips. So I'm gonna use this lip scrub in Brown Sugar by e.l.f. Love this because I just love that the packaging. It looks like a little lipstick and you just literally just rub it on your lips like a lipstick, and it's like sugar and exfoliates it. So love that. Super easy, super convenient, and it's really like a nice coarse type of sugar. I love it. So just like I use my sugar wonder drops to exfoliate my lips chemically, so I use this sometimes to exfoliate my lips physically. So since tonight is all about resurfacing the skin, I'm going in with this by Dr. Dennis Gross. This is their overnight texture renewal peel. It has advanced retinol and ferulic acid. So the first time I used it, I really enjoyed it. I'm only using this pad once a week, and I'm gonna go in with this before I go in with my toner. Since this is in the form of a pad, I just want to go ahead and just wipe my face with this, and then I'm gonna run this down my neck too. So I'm gonna keep that neck skin looking nice and healthy. So I'm gonna just go ahead and let that soak in a little bit before I move in with my toners. So since I just used that peel pad, I don't want to go in with anything else that I'm gonna have to wipe on my skin. So I'm gonna use this toner today by Murad. This is their hydrating toner. This is what it looks like. And then when I first started using this, I was like, I don't know if I like this, but then again I was like, no, this is everything I want because I don't have to use my hands, I don't have to use a cotton pad. I can just literally just spray this right on myself. Now I'm loving it. I'm gonna go in with my essence. I'm gonna use my SK2. This really helps when my skin is like breaking out. It just kind of helps it just recover and heal a lot faster and better, and helps with dark marks. So I'm definitely going in with this. I actually put this in a spray bottle because I just want to be able to just spray it right on my face. So I'm using it, but I just have it in this spray bottle. So since I use my toner, now I'm using my essence. SK2 definitely needs to put that in the spray bottle. And since my face is kind of drippy a little bit, I'm just running that toner and essence right down my neck where I use that pad. Okay, so let's go in with serums. I'm only using 2 serums tonight, and the first one I always use when I'm using a retinol. I'm always going to use this, which is my 96 Snail Mucin, because it's so healing, so moisturizing. Like it's everything. If you have not tried this yet, you need to try it. This is just a bomb serum, bomb product. Like, everybody needs this, no matter what your skin type is, no matter what your skin is going through. If you have acne, like whatever your skin is going through, you need this serum. It will fix it. I honestly have not seen anybody use this yet that says they don't like it. Next, I'm going to use these niacinamide dewdrops by Glow Recipe. I really like this because they give your skin such a nice healthy glow, and it is really nice and moisturizing. I don't want to use any type of serums that have acids tonight because I'm using retinol. So I'm going in with this one, and this is just such an amazing serum. Definitely good for all skin types, and you can use it day or night. If you don't like to glow though, you might not like them because they do give you like a nice glow. While I let my serum soak in for a little bit, I'm gonna go in with some eye cream, and I'm gonna use this one by Tula. This is their Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. So I do like this, however, I can only use it at night. So the reason why I can only use it at night is because it is like this blue color. And when I use it, now it goes on the eyes super smooth and creamy, so I do like that. But it'll also sometimes leave like a blue cast around your eyes, especially if you use a lot like me. So, but it is super cooling, like, and it's just so smooth and creamy, and I just love that it's in a stick form, and I can just, you know, put it on just like this. You don't have to rub it in. Sometimes I do rub it in, or sometimes I just let it soak in. So the blue cast doesn't always stay on there, but a lot of times I'll put it on and leave the blue cast on there and just kind of let it like soak in by itself. So since I'm using retinol and it's cold outside, I definitely want to go in with a nice thick rich cream, and I'm using this one by City Beauty. This is their multi-action sculpting cream. I really like this because it has such a nice thick texture, but when you put it on, it's still like lightweight, but you can tell that it's like locking in your moisture. So I really do like this cream. It's definitely perfect for this time of year. Nice and thick, but it does like sink right into your skin, so I love that. I love that cream. I told you I was going to be bringing more City Beauty products on my channel because I've been using them for a long time, like ever since what, last year or whenever I did that sponsored video for them before. I've been using their products and I really do enjoy them. So I really want to put y'all on to good stuff that's just not necessarily like in Sephora and Ulta, like, because skincare is all over the place. It's not just there, you know what I'm saying? So I wanted to definitely put y'all onto this cream because it's so good. You see how it just soaks right into my skin? Like, I be trying to tell y'all, okay? Okay, last I'm gonna do a couple drops of this recovery oil. This is by Malin and Goetz. I think that's how you say it. This is a recovery treatment oil. So since I'm doing the retinol, I'm doing this oil, just a couple drops. You don't have to use a lot. I've only used this probably like 3 times, and I do like it because it's not one of those oils that just sit on top of your skin. It actually does kind of sink in there instead of sitting on top. It like blends in with your cream, so I like that. Because some of the oils I have, they don't necessarily blend in with your skincare. They just kind of sit on top to lock it in. So it all depends on, you know, what kind of oil you like. But this one soaks right into your cream. Okay, now for lips, I'm going in with this Bali Balm. I like this because it's sweet orange and coconut, and it does give me a nice locked in lip balm for the rest of the night. And then last, I'm gonna go in with my eyelash serum by Dermalect. This is their XL Lash Volumizer. So this is what it looks like, and it's just like a white serum, and I just put it on my lashes, y'all, and I just take like the base, the front, and just rub it along the base of the lashes first, on the top and the bottom. And then I go ahead and run it through my lashes. And I swear, y'all, I really feel like this has really been helping my lashes. They like have been looking longer and a little fuller, and I am really here for it. This is the eyelash serum that I was talking about in my lash Get Ready With Me. This eyelash serum, I really feel like it's doing something. So that is it, y'all. That is our night routine. See, I got through it really quickly, and I still got all the steps in. We got our retinol going on so we can have nice, beautiful, rejuvenated skin in the morning and help get rid of this mess over here and this mess over here. Like, we got to clean it up. We got to clean it up. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next skincare video. Bye.